My name is Urmila Nivangune and today's topic is interfaces in Java. First of all, we will see what is interfaces, then why it is needed, why we used it in our Java programming. Interface is nothing but a blueprint of class, and interface is used in case of there is not supported multiple inheritance. Suppose there are two classes, both are parent classes, and there is one child class. That means this behavior is nothing but multiple inheritance, and multiple inheritance is not supported in Java because by using two parent classes, single child class is derived. It is possible that both the parent classes have same methods. Then it is confusing for compiler to which method should get invoked. To avoid this ambiguity, interfaces are used in Java. For declaring interfaces, interface keyword is used just like class. Suppose like we declare class as class keyword and then name of that class, just like that we can declare interface by using interface keyword, that interface keyword and followed by interface, name of interface. Then basically interfaces are used for three purposes. First one is it is used for achieving abstraction. Second one is it is used for achieving loose coupling, and third one is instead of multiple inheritance, Java supports interface. All the methods in interface are abstract by default. That means if we do not make method abstract, that means we cannot use abstract keyword before name of method, then compiler automatically takes it and makes all the method as abstract methods means uh, giving only name of only declaring the method and not giving the body of method. That methods present in interface are static, public, and default. Also from Java 9, private methods are supported in interface. Then also variables present in interfaces are static and final. In order to define that methods which are present in interface, classes are used. It means we can create one class and implement the interface, then we can give body to the methods of interface. That's it.